3D steel wire mesh sandwich panel equipment. 3D steel wire mesh sandwich panel consists of cover mesh diagonal and EPS core panel. It has the characteristics of lightweight, high strength, heat preservation, earthquake resistance, easy construction, etc. It is widely used in various construction projects. The equipment consists of a mesh welding machine and a forming machine. Mesh welding machine. Weld longitudinal steel wires and transfers steel wires into mesh shapes. Automatic traction straightening device. Automatic welding. Auto cutting. Forming machine. Assemble steel mesh and EPS panel into finished 3D panel. Manually put the steel mesh sheet and EPS panel at the feeding port of the equipment. PLC automatic control. Automatic traction straightening device. Punching, inserting oblique wire, welding wire. Come out finished 3D panel.